We've just wrapped up on a great educational day here in Brisbane. We had pricer plan, talking everything estimation, talking about how to do your perfect estimation, how to set it up from start to finish. And then we had Wunderbuild, me and Ashi, one of the lead developers of Wunderbuild, just showing how to do an estimation in person in the system of Wunderbuild.
Well, that's it. Our first workshop completed, hosted by Pricer Plan and Wunderbuild together. It was really good. I think it went really, really well. People seemed to respond really well to the messaging. We tried to keep it simple, tried to keep it concise, and we really made it practical. We gave away a lot of Friggy rewards today, which was also satisfying as well. But Friday afternoon, I'm honestly feeling a bit buggered after the preparation for this. I am looking forward to a cold beer. Thanks.